Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Alright, now first we gotta wash our hands with milk. Oh, I forgot. And how you know your hands is clean? Your hands is clean when your nails look clean. Alright.
You wash the dishes?
You're making me a sandwich. How would I be washing dishes? This is not a miracle. So, bread. Oh, I need the plate first.
What are you making?
Peanut butter and jelly.
For both of us?
But you need some syrup. Trust me. Trust the process. Trust the process. Get alright. Why don't you just get a regular fork?
Where's the big boys?
The forks is the same size. No big.
It's not the same size.
Yes, it is. Look. And I want this one. And I want this one. Get the knife. Split. And so get the jelly. Damn, it's already. Did I switch mine? Hold up. Get the jelly. It's rolling out already. Damn. My truck was beat. But if any of you guys be on TikTok, well, I'm not saying any of you guys be on TikTok. If everybody in the world is on TikTok, like. But yeah, if any of you guys know Moto Cozy from TikTok, what do you think about the ban? About his ban? Are you happy that they banned him? Or mad that they banned him and you think they banned him for no reason? For me personally, I'm really care because, like, you know, it's not like I personally not motor cozy. I don't care if he got banned. I don't care if he didn't get banned. The only thing I'm just gonna say about the ban is I don't know why they banned him.
What's
He didn't do anything wrong. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright. This is so. We close jelly because we don't want no bugs getting in the chat. I also got to put the jelly back knowing that I'm going to make two. Jelly on my shirt. I'm not going to take off my shirt though. Because I'm not overforming. Y'all, if we're not opening up the can with peanut butter and it's oily, mix it up. Don't throw it out, mix it up. I smell Doritos. Eli! You eating Doritos?
No,
Oh.
I'm full.
Oh,
Why did you ask me that?
because it smells like Doritos.
Cappuccino.
Anyways. So, yep, cut that off. Let's try it too. Put some hot water, not no cold water. Because I'm going to do that. Then, put it on top. And now y'all think, oh, what you gonna do next? Put your nasty syrup on there? No. And I would throw it on. I would throw it on the. I would throw it on the stove and make it toasty. But my mom said since he's asleep, I can't do that because he don't trust me. I did almost burn my phone last time, but specifically put it on for 30 seconds in the microwave. Let me see if I can put it on my foot. So yes, cooking is done.
Better.
And then now glaze it. It might stink, but it looks good. Like pancakes. It's my computer. 13.
Yeah.
Yep, it stinks bad. But
No.
let me try first bite.
Think about it. Okay, Claire, it's hot. Your damage is already healed. Hot.
Hot.
Wait, Eva, you break the phone! Hmm? Eva, you break the freaking phone!
Eli, leave Mom alone. Let her go to sleep. Get out. Get out right now.
I'll tell you it's to sleep, Eva.
Get out.
He just said,
I don't care. Leave her alone, man. Don't tell. Leave her alone.
Alright, Mom. You're safe now. Yeah.
What? It's pretty good. Considering that this is my first time doing this with it. I just wanted to add a little special taste. But maybe not for the whole 30 seconds. It's too hot. Oh my gosh, it's hot.
Hey, don't say that to me.
But yeah, I'm trying to be like Coach Kitchen one day. That he inspired me to start YouTube. He even inspired me to grow my hair. My hair, I had a buzz cut before I started seeing Corey Kitchen. Well, before I started seeing his videos.
No!
Right after I saw his videos, I was like, I wanted to grow my hair. I'm inspired by him. And then I just started growing my hair.
Yeah. Really, huh? How did this dude got his first movie? Oh,
Dad, if you're watching this, I'm trusted with a knife. I know how to use knives and I know how to cut. I cut myself a few times. I cut myself a few times. But,
how did this dude know that?
really hope their dad don't doctor.
No, yeah.
I think Joey's gonna be like, yo, I'm using my peanut butter and jelly. You just have to run. You see this monstrosity. Ew. Do we take it back?
Yeah.
Services. I gotta hurry up.
Bye-bye.
I really hope you know. I just know this bite. When you saw me take the first bite,
What?
listen. Even though what you just saw me do when I take the first bite, always pray and take the first bite.
How
That's the rule, right? For the first bite. I'm gonna take my shirt off when my dad's watching the video. So then he's gonna be like, yo, why you taking your shirt off on the thing? Then I just can't do that because I'm not trying to be careful again. We're both on social media. Private.
Like the bad one.
So I ain't no cool. I'm not like at court and stuff yet. I could just be like, ooh, like I can't. I'm gonna get in trouble for good. But who wants to get in trouble? Who likes getting in trouble, honestly? Because I know I hate it. Oh, they fighting! Y'all gotta come see this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but can I flip the camera around? No, I don't think so. I don't know if y'all can see that or hear it, but they fighting outside and I'm nosy. But I gotta finish this video.
Hey! Red is my favorite color. You should respect it.
It's out there for 30 seconds and then take it out when it's at like 15. 15. No, we're watching this play out. No, I can't watch that because it got like stuff from it. Shut up! Jeez.
You know the shape?
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna put that on here. Alright. So here is the sloppy prince sandwich. Alright. Peace. I'll turn this off. Hold up. I'll do it.